It's a question from 2025 from topic your quadratic equation. So let us see this question. Two equations are given and it is asked sum of the squares of roots. So at first let us take the first equation and try to find out roots of the equation. For this, modulus of x minus 2 whole square plus modulus of x minus 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So for our convenience, say modulus of x minus 2 equal to y. Then it will be your y squared plus y minus 2 equal to 0. It means for some time y means your modulus of x minus 2. Now solve it. It will be your y plus 2 into y minus 1 equal to 0. This will give you y equal to negative 2 or another value y equal to 1 plus 1. Now what is y? Y is your modulus of x minus 2. So modulus of x minus 2 equal to negative 2. Now you see, modulus of any real number cannot be negative. That's why this is not possible. But y equals to, now y equals to 1. This means modulus of x minus 2 equal to 1. As you know, modulus of x equal to any real number a, then x is either plus or minus a. So here also x minus 2 equal to plus minus 1. Now there are two equality, x minus 2 equal to 1, another is your x minus 2 equal to negative 1. From here x equal to 3 and it will give you x equal to or your 1. That is x minus 2 equal to minus 1, then x equal to 1. So two roots we obtain, one is 3, another is 1 after solving this equation. Second, this not acceptable. That's why these are the two roots. So here only we can find out the sum of square, 3 squared plus 1 squared, that is nothing but 10. So from the first equation, sum of squares of the roots is your 10. This is not the answer. Now you have to take the second equation. We have to solve it. There also we have to calculate sum of the squares of roots. So let us take the second equation now. See, second equation is your x squared minus twice of modulus x minus 3 and then minus 5 is equal to 0. And this equation you have to solve under two cases. Case 1. When x minus 3 greater than 0. In that case, your modulus of x minus 3 is 1. As you know, modulus when x minus 3 greater or equal 0, in that case modulus of x minus 3 directly x minus 3. So this equation then reduces to x square minus twice of x minus 3 minus 5 is equal to 0. কারণ আমি জানো modulus of x equal to x হয় কেতিয়া যেতিয়া x greater or equal 0 হয়. So now you see, this will give you x square minus 2x plus 6 minus 5, that will be your plus 1 is equal to 0. It is nothing but x minus 1 whole square equal to 0, and from here what you will get x equal to 1. So from here you will get x equal to 1. Now you see, x equal to 1, is it acceptable? You are saying x minus 3 greater than 0. So it means x is your 1 greater than 3. But that's why x equal to 1 is not acceptable. So you have to reject this. So under case 1, whatever solution you will get, it is not acceptable. Because your case 1, you decided that x minus 3 greater or equal 0 means x is greater than 3. When x is greater than 3, so after solving this, you obtained x equal to 1. That's why x equal to 1 is not acceptable, contradictory. So now case 2, let us consider the, now case 2. So under case 2, suppose x minus 3 less than 0, that is x is less than 3. So in that case what you will get, because you know modulus of x equals to minus x when x is less than 0. So similar thing here, modulus of x minus 3 will be minus of x minus 3. So that will be x square, it is plus twice of x minus 3 minus 5. Because from here what you will get minus of x minus 3. Because x minus 3, this input is less than 0. We have considered. That's equal to 0. It will give you x square plus 2x minus 6 minus 5 equal to 0. Implies the quadratic equation becomes x square plus 2x minus 11 equal to 0. Now again you have to get the sum of the squares of roots for this equation. But without solving you can find out this. So how you see? Say alpha beta are the roots, then alpha square plus beta square. You can write it in this way: alpha plus beta whole square minus twice alpha beta. Now sum of the roots known to us, that is minus b by a, so it will be negative 2 whole square, and product of the roots c by a. That's why you can write c is your negative 11 and a is 1, it will be plus 22. 2 into 11, 22. That is nothing but 26. So from here, considering this equation, sum of the squares of roots coming as 26. So under this case 1, that is not accepted, already explained it. So sum of the squares of roots for this equation is 26, and sum of the squares of roots for the first equation is your 10. Then sum of the squares of all the roots will be 10 plus 26. 10 plus 26 equal to 36 is the correct option or answer. You see, B is the correct option given. Thank you.